Hello guys, this is International Whiskey Day. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make Austrian walnut crescent cookies. It's a beautiful traditional cookie from Austria. My father's favorite. It melts in your mouth, not in your hands. Join me for a toast. International Whiskey Day, it's a beautiful thing. Ah, yeah. And let's give him a smack in the tush. Here we go. Okay, this is a very simple cookie. It's going to take flour, white sugar, ground walnuts, salted butter, and vanilla. Okay, let's start out with the salted butter in the mixer. And let's cream the butter. And add the vanilla. And it's International Whiskey Day, so we might as well just throw a little shot of that in too. After we get that nice and creamy, lift it up. We're going to scrape the sides. Add the walnuts. Down again. And here we go. We're going to whip it till it gets nice and creamy. Slow it down a little bit. And we'll add the sugar nice and slow. Turn it back onto a higher speed. Okay, while we're whipping it up, we're going to sift our flour. Come in closer. Let me show you how nice and fluffy this is. Come on, take a look. Take a look. Can you see? Okay, now we're going to turn down the mixing machine and we're going to add this flour slowly, spoon by spoon. Once we get the flour halfway in, let's turn off the machine. Mix it from the bottom to the top, just to make sure we get everything nice and thoroughly mixed. And no lumps. Okay, just until it gets incorporated. Now we're going to pick up our dough. Clean off the paddle. fold the dough together just a little bit more by hand. Because this dough does not have any eggs to bind it together, when you put this in your mouth after it's baked, it's going to melt away. Okay, let's put these in the oven. We're going to put them 325 degrees for just about 20 minutes. Halfway through, we're going to switch top to bottom, left to right. Okay, let's see how they turned out. Oh, beautiful. Nice and golden brown. We're going to let them cool off for a few minutes, and then we're going to top them off with powdered sugar. Okay, now for the powdered sugar. Hi, I'm up here. Hey, 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 voila. Taste the cookies with organic milk, organic chocolate milk, and a patient pig that's not gonna get any. Here we go. Take a cookie, guys.
Oh my god.
Mmm.
Oh my god, I got powdered sugar on my nose.
Mmm, delicious. Mmm. Wow. Oh, so good. Enjoy.
I want to try them all.
Hey, wait.
That's chocolate.
Keep your hands away from the cookie jar!
This is really chocolatey. I gully gully. I actually really like it.
Yeah, it's good.